Want to solder like a pro? Let's master the basics in just 60 seconds. Use a good soldering iron with adjustable heat and quality solder wire. Clean your surfaces and apply flux to prevent oxidation. Heat the joint evenly. Don't use too much or too little solder. Look for shiny, smooth joints with no cracks or bubbles. Always work in a ventilated space and wear safety glasses. Follow these tips and level up your soldering skills fast. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment. It helps us grow.